In this video, we are going to show you how to use Verto headphones. Let's start with the three-way switch on the right ear cup. You can press or swipe to control your music and volume. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn on or turn off Verto. When the indicator is blinking between blue and red, Verto is ready for connection to your device. Click in the Bluetooth connection on your device and find Verto from the list of new devices. When you hear Verto is connected to your device and ready to play the music. You can see the Qualcomm aptX trademark logo if you're using an Android phone. Press the button to start the music. Press again to pause. Swipe down to jump to the next song. Swipe up to jump back to the beginning. If you're at the beginning of the song, it will jump back to the previous song. Swipe down and hold the switch to reduce the volume. Swipe up and hold to increase the volume. Be aware of the volume. It might hurt your hearing if it's too loud. Quick press the switch twice to enable the Google Assistant or Siri.
There'll be thunderstorms there today, with a forecasted high of 27 and a low of 26. It's currently 27 degrees with showers.
Verto can connect to 2 devices at the same time. Here is the way to connect and switch between 2 devices. Disconnect Verto with your first device, or simply turn off the Bluetooth from the first device. Prepare the second device for Bluetooth connection. Find Verto from the device list and connect your second device with Verto. Once your second device is connected, tap onto Verto from the first device to connect it back, or turn on Bluetooth back on for auto connection. You can only play the music from one device. To play the music from another device, you need to pause or stop all other sounds from the first device. Verto can also turn into a wearable speaker and portable speaker. Simply flip both ear cups and Verto will turn into speaker mode instantly. Earmuffs are replaceable and easy to detach. Pull it up gently and place a new earmuff back. The built-in magnets will attach the earmuffs back to their original position. For more information and support, please visit our website